Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to install Bluesky on your iPhone. So installing it is very simple. All you need to do is simply unlock your iPhone and then navigate to the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, you then want to use the search function and you want to type in Bluesky and then search. You should see it listed in the search results. It's called Bluesky Social. So all you need to do is simply tap on it to view the app details. Ensure that it's by Bluesky. And then you should see app previews. And if it matches any images or descriptions you've been given, then you can now start installing it. So you want to select Get. And then once you've selected Get, you want to confirm the installation, either by using your Face ID, Touch ID, or using your Apple account password. So you'll receive a prompt for that, and you just want to follow the prompt. So as you can see, the prompt has appeared. So let me confirm the installation, and then simply wait for it to be added onto my phone. Once it's been installed, you can tap on Open to launch it from the App Store, and then you should see the Bluesky logo appearing on your screen, which means you've successfully installed the app. So from here, you then want to either sign in or create an account. It's up to you. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.